Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here. When you break down FXPrismus pricing, the structure is clearly built around multiple account types, designed to match different trading styles, rather than forcing everyone into one cost model. FXPrismus offers Classic, Pro, Zero, and Synthetics accounts, each with a different balance between spreads, commissions, leverage, and minimum deposits. The Classic account is positioned as the entry-level option, using wider spreads starting around the mid-pip range with zero commission, and a very low minimum deposit that makes it accessible to beginners who want simple pricing without per-trade fees. Leverage on this account can scale very high depending on equity levels, which lowers the capital barrier but increases risk exposure. The Pro account tightens spreads significantly, often around sub-pip levels, but introduces a fixed commission per lot depending on platform choice. This pricing structure targets experienced traders who want more predictable execution costs and tighter bid-ask pricing for intraday or swing trading. The Zero account pushes spreads down to zero on major instruments, but offsets that with a per-lot commission, making it more suitable for scalpers or high-frequency traders who prioritize spread compression over simplicity. FXPrismus also offers a synthetics account with ultra-tight spreads and extremely high effective leverage, designed specifically for traders looking to trade proprietary synthetic instruments rather than traditional forex pairs. Across all account types, FXPrismus uses MT4 and MT5 as its core platforms, keeping pricing execution familiar and widely supported. Minimum deposits vary significantly depending on account selection, which gives flexibility but also requires traders to choose carefully based on their actual strategy rather than marketing labels. Leverage scales dynamically based on equity tiers, meaning risk exposure increases as account balances change, which can be powerful but dangerous without disciplined risk management. Feature-wise, FXPrismus positions itself as a multi-asset broker, offering forex, indices, metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. The platform environment focuses on stability rather than heavy customization, relying on MetaTrader's ecosystem for indicators, automation, and strategy development. On the Pro side, FXPrismus offers flexible account structures, high leverage availability, multiple pricing models to suit different trading styles, and compatibility with industry-standard platforms. Traders who understand spread versus commission trade-offs can fine-tune their costs based on how frequently they trade and which instruments they focus on. On the con side, pricing complexity can be confusing for newer traders, especially when comparing spread-only versus zero-spread accounts with commissions. High leverage options amplify both gains and losses, making the platform less forgiving for undisciplined risk management. Some traders may also find the platform experience more functional than modern, as FXPrismus relies heavily on MetaTrader rather than proprietary trading environments. Overall, FXPrismus rewards traders who already understand cost structures and execution mechanics rather than those looking for simplified, guided trading experiences. Algobi approaches pricing from a tier-based, benefit-driven perspective rather than raw spread competition. Instead of separating traders strictly into standard versus ECN accounts, Algobi introduces silver, gold, and platinum tiers, each unlocking progressively stronger trading conditions. The silver account acts as the entry point, offering standard spreads with no swap or spread discounts, moderate leverage up to 1 to 200, and a low minimum trade size that keeps entry accessible for newer traders. As traders move into the gold tier, Algobi introduces tangible cost reductions. Swap charges are discounted relative to silver, spreads are reduced by roughly half compared to the base tier, and leverage remains consistent. This structure rewards commitment rather than volume alone, making it appealing for traders who want cost improvements without switching account models entirely. The Platinum tier pushes this further, offering the largest spread and swap discounts while maintaining the same leverage and stop-out structure, positioning it as a premium environment focused on cost efficiency and personalized performance. Feature-wise, Algobi focuses on accessibility and usability. The platform emphasizes a clean interface, straightforward order placement, and CFD trading across key asset classes, including Forex, indices, commodities, and selected cryptocurrencies. Tools are designed to simplify execution rather than overwhelm traders with institutional-grade complexity. Algobi also leans into communication and follow-up as part of its value proposition. Traders often reference clear explanations, responsive support, and a platform design that prioritizes clarity over feature density. While advanced algorithmic or ultra-low latency infrastructure is not the platform's main focus, Algobi positions itself as a practical trading environment for discretionary traders who value ease of use. In terms of strengths, Algobi stands out for its tiered discount model, simple platform design, and accessible onboarding. The gradual improvement in trading conditions across tiers creates a sense of progression rather than forcing traders into high-risk pricing structures prematurely. Many users appreciate the platform's clean layout and straightforward execution flow. On the downside, Algobi may not satisfy advanced scalpers, algorithmic traders, or those seeking deep liquidity pools and raw institutional pricing. Performance during peak volatility has been mentioned as an area with room for improvement, and the platform's feature set is intentionally lighter compared to execution-first brokers. Looking at user sentiment, Trustpilot provides additional context. FXPrismus currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.9 out of 5, with reviewers frequently highlighting professionalism, strong customer service, and reliable account management, while some note average spreads and limited cost competitiveness. Algobi holds a Trustpilot rating of 2.9 out of 5, with users praising its user-friendly interface, accessibility, and helpful tools, while also pointing out performance consistency and execution speed as areas needing refinement. Final takeaway: FXPrismus is better suited for traders who want structured account tiers, disciplined pricing behavior, and a service-driven brokerage experience with strong human support. Algobi is more appropriate for traders who value simplicity, tier-based cost improvements, and an accessible CFD platform that prioritizes clarity over complexity. Neither platform is universally superior. The better choice depends on whether you prefer relationship-driven structure or straightforward, progression-based pricing. If this comparison helped you decide which broker actually fits how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more honest, no-hype broker breakdowns, and click the link below to explore the platform that aligns with your strategy, not just the marketing promises.